We learned some rules for exponents, but you need to make sure that you have viewed the negative exponent review before you look at this one. I made up just some problems down here for us to work through so that we can touch on all of the rules involving exponents. First up, if your base number is the same, it stays the same. If you're multiplying, then you add the exponents. If your base number is the same, it stays the same. If you're multiplying, then you add the exponents. Keep in mind that this is a 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5, plus a negative 2, which would be minus 2, is going to be 3. When we're multiplying and the bases are not the same, then we have to multiply like we usually would. So 3 times 6 is going to be 18. But here, the bases are the same, and we're going to add the exponents together to get 18m to the 9th. When we divide, we subtract the exponents. If the bases are the same, it stays the same, and we are going to subtract the exponents. So if we do 9 minus 2, we will get 7. If the bases are the same, it stays the same, we're going to subtract the exponents. 2 minus 9 is negative 7. And we never leave an exponent in a negative position. We're always going to change it. And if you've reviewed the video on negative exponents, you know that that means to write it as the reciprocal. When we have an exponent on an exponent, we just multiply. So this is going to be 3 to the 10th. Same thing if your base is a variable. The variable is going to stay there. We're going to multiply the exponents. If an exponent has an exponent, we multiply them. So that would be m to the 21st. So just to review, when we multiply exponents, you add the exponents together if the base is the same. When we divide with exponents, which is what we were doing here, if the base is the same, you're going to subtract the exponents. And if your exponent has an exponent, so exponent has an exponent, you're going to multiply the exponents.